Tatsoi looks delicate, but it is not fragile. It looks soft, but it is strong. It appears modern, yet it is ancient. At first glance, tatsoi resembles a low, dark green rosette hugging the soil. The leaves are spoon-shaped, smooth, and glossy, radiating outward in perfect symmetry. This geometry is not accidental. It is adaptation. Botanically, tatsoi is brassica rapa, a species that includes bok choy, turnips, napa cabbage, and many Asian mustard greens. Tatsoi is sometimes called spoon mustard or rosette bok choy, but these names undersell its identity. Tatsoi is its own expression of survival and balance. Tatsoi originated in East Asia, particularly China, where it has been cultivated for centuries. It developed in regions with cold winters, short daylight, and unpredictable conditions. To survive, tatsoi evolved low to the ground, protecting its core from wind and frost. This growth habit is its first lesson. Tatsoi does not reach upward aggressively. It spreads outward calmly. It conserves energy. It resists stress. Historically, tatsoi was valued as a winter green. When other vegetables failed, tatsoi endured. Farmers could harvest it even after frost. This reliability made it essential rather than luxurious. Flavor defines tatsoi's appeal. Raw, it is mild, clean, and slightly mustardy without bitterness. There is no sharp burn, no metallic edge. Just a gentle pepper note followed by sweetness. Cooked, tatsoi transforms. Heat softens the leaves into a silky texture while the stems retain structure. The flavor deepens into something savory and comforting, closer to spinach but with more body. Texture is where tatsoi stands apart. The leaves are tender enough to wilt quickly, yet thick enough to hold sauces. The stems are crisp but not woody. This duality makes tatsoi flexible. Culinarily, tatsoi is a connector green. It bridges raw and cooked applications. It works in salads, stir-fries, soups, noodles, dumpling fillings, and broths. In Chinese cooking, tatsoi is often stir-fried with garlic or added to soups near the end of cooking. In Japanese cuisine, it appears blanched or lightly sautéed. In modern Western kitchens, it is increasingly used as a spinach alternative. Tatsoi pairs well with sesame oil, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, mushrooms, tofu, eggs, and light proteins. It absorbs flavors without losing its own character. Nutritionally, tatsoi punches far above its visual weight. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. It provides calcium, iron, potassium, and magnesium. As a brassica, tatsoi contains glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds associated with cellular protection and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds are most active when tatsoi is lightly cooked or eaten raw. Tatsoi is low in calories but high in nutrient density. It supports bone health, immune function, and cardiovascular health while remaining easy to digest. Compared to tougher greens like kale or collards, tatsoi requires less cooking time and causes less digestive stress for many people. This makes it ideal for frequent consumption. Agriculturally, tatsoi is a dream crop. It grows quickly, tolerates cold, and can be harvested multiple times. It thrives in both open fields and controlled environments. Its ability to grow in low light and cool temperatures makes it ideal for winter farming and indoor cultivation. This is one reason tatsoi appears in modern vertical farms and urban agriculture projects. Visually, tatsoi is striking. Dark emerald leaves, smooth surfaces, perfect symmetry. It looks intentional, almost designed. This visual calm translates to the plate. Culturally, tatsoi represents a different relationship with food. It values resilience over speed, balance over intensity, and consistency over spectacle. In a world obsessed with extremes, tatsoi offers moderation. It does not scream health. It does not demand attention. It simply delivers. The biggest mistake with tatsoi is overcooking. Long heat destroys its texture and dulls its flavor. Tatsoi thrives on quick exposure to heat or gentle wilting. Another mistake is ignoring the stems. They are not waste. They provide crunch and structure. Treat the plant as a whole. Tatsoi does not need reinvention. It does not need marketing. It has survived centuries by being exactly what it is. Reliable, balanced, quietly powerful. Tatsoi is proof that strength does not have to be loud.